You guys have no idea how much I am suffering right now because my hair, it keeps on getting on my face. It is making me super hot, but I'm trying, okay? I'm trying to fix my hair every single time that I actually wash my hair. I'm trying to also keep it down as much as I can because I do have it long, so might as well enjoy it. But the struggle is real. If you guys know, you know. But anyways, hi, how are you? I hope that you guys are having an amazing one today. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Jarrell, and in today's video we are going to be talking about my Sephora haul. I'm so excited. I actually purchased this the first day of the sale. It's just been sitting here. I haven't opened one thing because I was waiting to do this video. I am feeling a little bit better. My voice and my throat is not hurting me as much, so that is also so good. And I also purchased a couple of more things today for me to pick it up, but I couldn't pick it up prior to this haul, and I don't think that I'm going to be able to do another video, so I just want to show you really quickly what I bought today for me to pick up. I know it is all over the place, and I also need to do one more purchase, but that is going to be an online purchase, and I think it's just like a couple of things, like 3 things, but you know, it is Sephora after all, so 3 things, you know. Let's go ahead and get started, but before we do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. You can also like and comment down below because that definitely helps me out so much. And we also have a new feature, which is hyping the video up, so if you guys see that, please go ahead and hype up my video. That helps me out so much, and I am trying to reach, as you guys probably already know, trying to reach the 10K by the end of the year. I mean, we are getting definitely closer every single day to that goal, so I really truly appreciate it, and I really would love all of your help. But yeah, that is it. Let's go ahead and now get into the haul. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. I am going to share the products that I am picking up from Sephora today. Let's go ahead and start with the first product that I do see, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Velvet-Matte Precision Shaping Lip Liner, and this one is in the shade Cinnamon. So I don't know why it wasn't here in this bag. I think I purchased a different shade, which is also in this bag right here. I'm also picking up because I already ran out of the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. That gel cream, like for the eyes, it is so good for every single day for my daytime routine. I have gone through bottles and bottles of those. I definitely needed to repurchase because I have come to the conclusion that this one right here definitely works for my under eyes during the daytime. It's super lightweight. Love it because it doesn't feel heavy, and I cannot use anything heavy for my under eyes. So this one for Glow Recipe actually absolutely works. And I'm also purchasing a night cream, which is also from Drunk Elephant, and that one is in my online purchase. And as well as the Shiseido Band Lash Curler. That one is actually for my daughter because she requested for me to get another band. Those are the only 2 products that I was going to purchase online. Now going back to the list that I am picking up today, I also decided to buy the Anastasia Beverly Hills Smooth Blur Cream Contour Stick in the shade Shadow, which is for medium skin tone. I'm hoping that that works. I heard nothing but great things about it, so I wanted to try it myself. This one, I don't know if I need to purchase it online. That's why my online purchase is still pending, because I don't know if this particular item it is going to be in my bag, because it shows right now as out of stock. And this one is the Patrick Ta Major Dimension Eye Illusion in the color In Your Dreams, which is the lightest one, the newest one that he just released. I saw it in somebody's video and I needed to get it because I think that that one is going to work with any eyeshadow colors that I decide to do, whether I am doing a blue, gray, purple, it doesn't matter. This one is definitely going to be the one to have, so I decided to go ahead and just purchase that one. And those duo shadows, you guys already know that they are very pricey, so I am making my 20% definitely count. And I decided to try the Vanngo Beauty Longwear Waterproof Precision Gel Liner, and I decided to go with a brown shade, which this one is in the shade Use Your Own Judgment. So I'm really excited to go and pick up those products from Sephora today. I'm hoping that the one from Patrick Ta is actually in my bag, but you know, I'm not gonna know until I actually go and pick it up, because it shows that it's in my bag. It's ready for pickup. The total's still the same, so I'm hoping that it's there. Anyways, let's go ahead and now get into this big bag from Sephora. This bag was also something that I did online for me to pick up because that is the only way that I can shop at Sephora. For me, just, you know, picking up my kits and just doing a little detour, getting inside or doing curve pickup, and then they just give me my items because unfortunately I don't have the time to go and just look at everything. Plus I get really overwhelmed with just looking at everything all at once, and then I purchase things that weren't even on my list, so I just try to stick to the list that I have already made online. Now, the first item is from Rhode. I think that everyone's haul that I've seen, they are definitely getting things from Rhode because it is a new brand at Sephora. I'm really excited because I did purchase the Rhode Milky Toner, and I only purchased the mini one because I just wanted to try it, and I am just so happy that it is in this bag right now. Full size this time because I absolutely love it. And this one right here is the Rhode Barrier Restore Cream. I heard nothing but great things about it. I don't know if this is the full size. I don't think so. Maybe it's just the mini one, but I also wanted to try it because it is going to be new to me. So I want to make sure that my skin reacts well to it, that it works well, that it feels good, feels like it's doing something. So I'm really excited for this one. Again, I have heard great things about this one right here from Rhode. So I'm really excited. By the way, you are going to see, just in case you're new to my channel, me putting back everything in the box because if it's new and I haven't touched it and I haven't tried it, it's going to stay in the box. That's how I know it's new. So I needed to repurchase this one right here from Youth to the People because I completely used the first tub. It did last me a very long time because I do try to switch things up, but I was already missing it. The minute that I finished it, I was like, oh my goodness, I need to repurchase it. This one is the Superberry Firm and Glow Body Butter from Youth to the People, and it is absolutely beautiful. It gives you the most gorgeous glow, and I miss the scent so much. It is not super potent or anything like that, but it has a really nice, beautiful, mild scent to it. It's not floral. It is not like perfumey. It smells like a really nice, beautiful, like whipped cream. But it is very nice. It gives you the most beautiful glow to your skin. It's really nice and hydrating, which I definitely need during this time of year. Can't explain the scent. Please go and smell it. Maybe you'll like it and you will definitely love the glow. And here is my repurchase from Rhode, now at Sephora, of course. All right, so this one is the one that I was telling you guys about. This one is the Glazing Milk from Rhode. It is so good, and I needed to get the big size. Probably have one more use of the little one that I purchased, so I am just so happy that I have already a backup because again, that one is just so good. Very nice and hydrating for my skin. So my skin, I am oily to combination, just in case you're new to my channel. I do have a oily T-zone and I'm pretty normal in the outer part of my face, but also my age and you know, the little weather change that we are having as well, it does really affect my skin, and sometimes I do feel like it is dehydrated and a little bit dry, especially in the outer part of my face. So I absolutely love anything that is really nice and hydrating but lightweight at the same time, and that is the reason why I love this one so much, because it is really nice, hydrating, gives you a beautiful glow, but it is really lightweight for my type of skin, which I love. Another product from Rhode that I picked up is this blush right here, and this one is more of a red blush. Here we have it. It is going to be perfect for this time of year. I cannot wait to try it. By the way, of course, I am going to do a video trying all of these products for you guys in camera, as well as doing some shorts for you guys, so stay tuned for those videos coming your way. Finally decided to pick up and buy the Makeup by Mario. So famous. I mean, everyone talks about this brush right here, which is the F4, but I didn't pick up one. I picked up two, because I'm like, you know what, might as well take advantage of that 20% and just get two of these so famous brushes. I know that I'm going to use them over and over again, especially because someone actually described it as having two of the BK Beauty 109, and that one is my favorite brush of all times. So if I am going to have like two of those in one, forget it. I was sold. And I can definitely see it. This one right here definitely reminds me of the BK Beauty 109. This one is a little bit more fluffy, but I can definitely see it just to blend everything so nicely. So again, I picked up two of these brushes right here. I cannot wait to try it because everyone has been talking about these brushes right here, so I'm just so happy that I finally get to try them for myself. And of course, if I love it, then you are definitely going to see it in a speed review, recommendations, and all of that. So yeah, I ended up picking up a blush from Armani Beauty. This one, it looks so beautiful in pink. I am trying to do like that pinky blush with like neutral shadows, you know that look. Okay. So I wanted to try this one here and see if it actually works for my skin tone. I need to try it within like the 30 days just in case if it doesn't work out for me. I mean, you can always gift it to one of my sisters or my daughter because she loves things like that as well. But if nobody takes it, then I have to return it, you know what I mean? I end up picking up this mascara here from YSL, which is one of my favorite mascaras. It is so pricey, but it just holds my curls, makes my lashes look absolutely like super fake and super long and super voluminous and, you know, like super not real. And I absolutely love that. And this is the waterproof version from the YSL mascara. I know that I need to purchase another one because my daughter is going to take this one just like she took the last one. So I don't know, I'm still thinking about it. I might just hide it from her. It is YSL. It is so pricey for a mascara, but she loves it. And I totally understand why. But yeah, she can't take this one this time around. She is going to though. I have this one right here from Danessa Myricks, and it is the Color Fix Multi-Use Pigment Stick, and I decided to pick up a different shade, and this one is in the shade 6. I am super excited. I told you guys the last time that I am going to be buying them little by little because I absolutely love this one's right here from Danessa Myricks. They are just so amazing. Let me go ahead and just swatch them for you guys. Oh my goodness, that is so beautiful. Again, this one is in the shade 6. I went ahead and purchased the highlighting brush from Patrick Ta. Now this highlighting brush I wanted to get because I did mention that I have not purchased a new highlighting brush in a very long time. It is the Do It Ended brush, so if I want to use a cream highlighter, I can use this one. Of course, they are meant to use with his products, but you can use it with whatever products you want. And here we have a little nice beautiful fluffy size, so I am super excited. I do have a lot of brushes from Patrick Ta that I really do enjoy as well, so I'm super happy for this one. I did finally get the lip contour stain from Huda Beauty, and I decided to get a shade that I know that I'm going to be using, which is Warm Brown. I already have this shade in the regular lip liner, so I'm really excited to see how this one works and how it actually translates on me. If the hype is absolutely real, everyone is been loving this ones right here from Huda Beauty. They're super easy to use, apparently long lasting, so I'm really excited to try it myself. We have the Magic Touch blush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I wanted to try another pinky blush, so this is the one that I decided to get. And I also purchased from products that are recommended from other creators, so I am really excited to actually try this one. I heard really good things about the formula, the way that it blends. It works on top of powder, so I want to of course test it myself. That is the reason why I'm purchasing all of this makeup, so I can see if I like it myself and I can also recommend it to you guys, and you guys again will see it in a future video. I purchased the concealer from Armani Beauty. This one has been in my love list for a very long time, and finally I decided to get it. I absolutely love the foundation, the skin tint, and any complexion products from Armani Beauty. It always works out for me, so of course I needed to try the concealer, and I'm hoping that it's an amazing product, that it doesn't crease, that it's long lasting, that it just gives me really nice beautiful coverage. So yeah, we will put it to the test. I also picked up this skincare right here from Summer Fridays. Again, another product that has been in my love list. Yeah, this one is the Overnight Eye Serum, which again, I am trying to do the best that I can for my eyes, for my under eyes, like the little fine lines that are going out of control, the puffiness. So I'm hoping that this one right here from Summer Fridays like does the trick. Another product that I wanted to pick up from Rhode. I wanted to give this one another try since the first time that I purchased it, it was all grainy and not really nice at all. So I decided to go with this pinky shade just to match the blushes that I have been purchasing. So I'm really excited to try that one. By the way, this one right here is from Rhode, and it is the Peptide Lip Tint. I knew it. So I do have two lip liners right here from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I have already purchased the shade in Cinnamon, and I already repurchased it again on the one that I am picking up, the bag that I'm picking up today from Sephora. But I knew that it was going to be here. For some reason, it did not show on my receipt online. So I was wondering, like, why didn't I purchase that one? But anyways, here it is in Cinnamon. I'm really excited. And I also purchased this one right here, which is in the shade Midnight Rogue. And these ones are new shades from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This one is the shade in Midnight Rogue. It's a little bit more on the cooler brown, like reddish side, and this one right here is in the shade Cinnamon, which is a little bit on the lighter side. Why do they look the same? To me, they look exactly the same, but anyways, I have both of them. I will definitely try them and see if I do see a huge difference. Maybe I can just keep one and return the other one. Do you see a huge difference? I'm so confused. Anyway, the last two products are this ones right here from YSL. These ones are the YSL Love Shine Candy Glaze, and I did pick up the shade in 22 and also in the shade 21. They are limited edition packaging. They look absolutely stunning, and I am super excited that I have both of them. And I think that this one right here is definitely going to be the one that I'm going to be using the most. It's a little bit more on the rosy side versus the clear one, but I am sure that I will use both of them. This one's right here from YSL, like the Love Shine. They are just so good on the lips, very nice and shiny, and I love that so much. I mean, it is YSL, that's why they're so pricey. Plus they have like the gold limited edition, so that is definitely going to make it pricey. I absolutely could have skipped on those, but I love the packaging so much. So yeah, that is a little treat for myself. But you guys, that is it for my Sephora haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I am going to be linking all the products down below in the description area, like I've mentioned several times. But anyways, that is it. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for your love, your time, and support. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, and I will see you next time. Bye.